Access the full Python playlist on YouTube. Open VS Code to code. To even and odd function in Python. We use functions and exception handling in this program. Def is used to make a function. Function name is check. Use one parameter in function as number it stores to run the function. Use condition to check number by divide to 2 and reminder is 0. If condition check true, return it's even. F-string is used to make easier to add variable in commas. In we write variable name. If the number reminder is not equal to 0, it's ODD. USE exectional handling. Use try to pretend from an error. USE user-defined variable by use input tag. The input tag take value in string, but we want an integer. That's why we use int in the beginning. The results var call the function to check. We use numVar as parameter which we defined in function. The except is run in which case when user put in veiled integer like ABC. And print in veiled entry. Run the program to check the program. User enter number here. Again run to check another number. Check if we entered in veiled value it throws error or not. Code run fine. Thanks for watching. Also access the playlist.